Today, I'm going to show you guys how to get Clawdbot for free by using N8N. This workflow is literally going to have the exact same core functionalities that Clawdbot has, but you don't have to buy a Mac Mini, and it doesn't take long at all to set up. And today, I'm going to walk you through how you can get this workflow right here and how to set everything up. It's going to be super duper simple. And all we're going to be needing is a Telegram account, a ChatGPT account, an OpenAI account, a Gmail account, and a Google Calendar account. And it's going to be very simple to set up. It works exactly like Clawdbot. And at the end of the video, I'm actually going to show you how it works. Make sure you watch this full tutorial to see how to set it all up. And guys, let's get started now. So basically, the first thing you want to do is press the first link in the description down below and head over to my group called Workflows. And on the left side of your screen, you should see this Clawdbot N8N file. And you're going to want to click on it and then download it right here. And after you download it, you can just drag it up to Google and literally just press Control A, then Control C, and then open up N8N. And to get to N8N, you want to go to N8N.cloud. Just sign up for an account. Once you're in here, make a new project by going like right up here. And after you make your account, go up here and make a new workflow. And then once you're in your new workflow, it should look blank just like this. And all you're going to want to do is press Control V. Just like that, we have our Clawdbot in N8N right now. And all we have to do is set it all up, and it's going to be super simple. It's only going to take a few minutes. So to start off, we're actually going to do the bot functionality. So we're going to have to open up Telegram. Make sure you have it installed. So just open it up just like so. And once you're in Telegram, go in the top left and search for the bot father, because we're going to have to create a new Telegram bot. And to do so, you're going to want to type /new bot. And after you type /new bot, we're going to have to name your bot. So I'm just going to call it the Clawdbot. And then for the username, it has to end in bot. So I'm just going to be like Clawdbot and just spam a lot of letters and then the bot. And okay, that didn't work. Let me try again. I got my name now. Let's type it. And I'm pretty sure I'm making it too long. 1 second, guys. And perfect. There we go. We have our Clawdbot. And now that we have our bot, you're going to want to go down here and copy this access token. And guys, do not share it with anyone else, because if they get a hold of this access token, they'll be able to use your bot as well. So now that you got this access token, go right here where it says t.me Clawdbot, and just click on it and it's going to lead us straight to our bot. Now that we're on our bot, you're going to want to press start. The bot actually starts. Now you're going to want to minimize and head back to N8N. Now we're going to have to set up all these credentials. So double click on this Telegram trigger right up here. Then go up here to the credentials and press create new credentials. And then paste in the access token by pressing Control V, and then press save. And after you do that, make sure you're selected right here, and then press escape and go over to this other Telegram one and double click, and then go up here and select your Clawdbot. And honestly, guys, it may automatically like select the correct account for all of these, but I just like to go through all of them and make sure it's selected correctly. And finally, we have this send Telegram response one right here. Just double click. By the way, yours probably isn't called Clawdbot. I just named it that. But just like that, we set up all of our Telegram, and now we're gonna have to set up OpenAI. And to do this, guys, you're gonna want to go to platform.openai.com/settings/organization/billing/overview, and then just press enter. And in my group, honestly, I'll just leave this link for you guys, so super simple. You can just click on it. But now that we're in here, we're gonna have to add around $5 to our credit balance, because every few times we actually talk to the bot, it's gonna spend around 1 cent. And I've been using this bot for a while now, and it's only spent around like 38 cents. So guys, it's very, very cheap. So I recommend adding around $5. Even if you add $1, that's probably fine as well. But after you do that, head over to the API key section in the left side of your screen, then go on the top right and press create new secret key. And after you do that, you can name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it the Clawdbot, and then select your project and press create secret key. And guys, do not share the secret key with anyone, because if they get a hold of this, they'll be able to spend all of your OpenAI credits, which would not be good at all. So just copy that and then press done. And now we're gonna head back to N8N and double click on this ChatGPT icon right here, and then go up here and press create new credentials. And then on the top left, I'm just gonna name this a Clawdbot. This is what I did for the Telegram one as well, but it's just optional. And then down here where it says API key, just paste in your API key and press save. Make sure your API is selected. And now go to this other OpenAI chat model one and make sure you select your account again. I'm pretty sure that's all we need for the OpenAI. Yeah, all right, now we can move on to the Gmail. And to do this is very simple as well. Make sure you're logged into your Gmail account first off. And now just double click on it, and then press create new credentials, and then press sign in with Google. And then you're gonna want to sign in with the Gmail account that you actually wanted to give access to read your emails and like respond to them. So I'm just gonna do this one right here. And then you're gonna want to select this button. And then there's gonna be 6 other buttons. You're gonna want to select them all as well. And then press continue. And after you do that, make sure you have your Gmail account selected. And then go over to this Gmail one right here as well, and then select it. And we're almost done, guys. All we have to do is set up the Google Calendar now. And just follow my lead. You're gonna want to go to the first one right here and just double click on it. And then click up here and press create new credentials once again, and press sign in with Google. And then sign in with your Google account once again. It could be the same one. And then you may have to select all the buttons again. And after you do that, press continue. And now after you press continue, make sure your account's actually selected up here. And then right here where it says calendar primary from list, you're gonna want to click on that and then type in your email or select your email. So I see mine right here. I'm just gonna select it. And then we're gonna want to go to all the other ones right here and select them all as well. Make sure your Gmail account's selected up here for all of them as well. So let's click on from list and then select my email. And then down here as well. Then from list, select my email once again. And then finally, let's do this one right here. And guys, this is the final step. Let's select our email. Well, actually, I kind of lied. There's one more step. You got to actually activate the workflow in the top right, because if we didn't, then this thing wouldn't work at all. So just press activate workflow. And now that it's activated, it should work. Let's open up Telegram. And now if we chat with our Clawdbot, it should respond. I'm just going to say, hey, Clawdbot, how are you today? And it's saying, hello, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How's your day? I'm just going to say good. This Clawdbot is going to be able to answer any of your questions and respond to all your Gmails automatically, and also book stuff to your Google Calendar. And we didn't have to pay a couple $1,000s to even set it up. It took like no time or money at all. And look at this, guys. I'm just going to say Clawdbot, book a calendar event tomorrow at 11 o'clock a.m. to get a haircut. And I'm just going to send that right now. And then it just said to schedule my haircut. So let's go to my calendar and look at this, guys. Today is the 12th. I was testing it last night. So I booked one for 10 o'clock a.m. yesterday when I asked it to. But today is 2/12/2025. And on the 13th, as you see right here, 11 o'clock a.m., get a haircut. And the cool thing about this is that we don't only have to type. We can literally just hold down this microphone button. And guys, this does work on mobile, by the way. We can hold down this microphone button and say, hey, Clawdbot, please book me a calendar event tomorrow at 12 o'clock a.m. And it's going to say eat Doritos. And it should transcribe it right now and book an event on our calendar. And it literally said to book the event for tomorrow at 12 o'clock a.m. to eat Doritos. And here we are at 12 o'clock a.m. eat Doritos. And that is super cool. And guys, if we head over to our Gmail and we click on this one, for example, right here, we can see that it's automatically responding to all of our emails. All we have to do is press send. I mean, I can make it so it just auto sends if you guys want it. Just comment it down below. But it literally responds to all of our emails. And all we have to do is press send. And this is literally insane, guys. We just set up a Clawdbot that we don't have to pay thousands of bucks for. And it works just the exact same. And it can answer any questions you have and automatically respond to your emails and schedule appointments on your calendar. And guys, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like and hype the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below on what you want to see next or if you want any features. Make sure to click this video on the screen right now, and I'll see you all later. Peace out.